Hi everyone. Today let's discuss some questions and answers related to the topic Lunar Day. First question, when is National Space Day of India? August 23, 2023, India had successfully landed its Chandrayaan 3 Vikram lander on the lunar south polar region. To commemorate this feat every year, August 23rd has been declared as India's National Space Day by the Government of India. Next question, which is the first satellite of India? Aryabhatta is the first satellite of India. The Aryabhatta spacecraft named after the famous Indian astronomer was India's first satellite. Who authored the book From Earth to Moon? Jules Verne. Jules Verne authored the book From Earth to Moon. When was Chandrayaan 3 landed on the moon? 23 August 2023. Chandrayaan 3 made a historical landing on the moon on August 23. The lander module named Vikram and the rover Pragyan touched down on the Shiva Shakti point. Who was the first Italian scientist to notice moon craters? Answer, Galileo Galilei. Next, what is the theme of National Space Day 2024? Theme of National Space Day 2024 was Touching Lives While Touching the Moon, India's Space Saga. Touching Lives While Touching the Moon. To commemorate the successful landing of Chandrayaan 3, the theme selected for National Space Day this year is Touching Lives While Touching the Moon, India's Space Saga. Next, one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Whose words are these? One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Whose words are these? Who told these words? Neil Armstrong. Correct answer, Neil Armstrong. Next, who was the youngest person who set foot on moon? Charles Moss Duke was the youngest person. Which was the first space vehicle to land safely on the moon? Which was the first space vehicle to land safely on the moon? Luna 2. Luna 2 was the first spacecraft to reach the surface of the moon and the first human-made object to make contact with another celestial body was Luna 2. Then Apollo 11 was the American space flight that first landed human on moon. Luna is the moon mission of which country? Luna is the moon mission of which country? Soviet Union. Luna is the moon mission of Soviet Union. Which was the world's first artificial satellite? Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1 was the world's first artificial satellite. Which satellite is known as Bahubali? Which satellite is known as Bahubali? GSLV Mark III was known as Bahubali. Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III. That is GSLV Mark III. This is also referred to as LVM-3 Launch Vehicle Mark III. So, GSLV Mark III is also known as Bahubali. Which is the heaviest rocket of ISRO? GSLV Mark III, heaviest rocket of ISRO. Which is the lightest satellite launched by India? Kalamsat V2. Which launch vehicle was used for the Chandrayaan 3 mission? Which launch vehicle was used for the Chandrayaan 3 mission? LVM-3 M4. Who was the second man to set foot on the moon? Edwin Aldrin. Who is known as the father of modern astronomy? Copernicus. Nicholas Copernicus is known as the father of modern astronomy. Which is the second satellite of India? Bhaskara 2. Second satellite of India is Bhaskara 2. Which country put the first flag on moon? USA in its Apollo mission 1969. When Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed there. Which was the objective of Chandrayaan 3? What was the objective of Chandrayaan 3? What was the objective of Chandrayaan 3? Demonstrating soft landing and scientific exploration. This was the objective of Chandrayaan 3. Which space shuttle was the first in the world? Columbia. USS Columbia was the first space shuttle in the world. Where did the Chandrayaan 3 launch from? Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Chandrayaan 3 launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. What is the theme of Moon Day 2024? Illuminating the shadows. This was the theme of Moon Day 2024. Illuminating the shadows. What was the message of Chandrayaan 3? What was the message of Chandrayaan 3? India, I reached my destination and you too. Chandrayaan, after landing on the moon, Chandrayaan 3 sent a message to India. What was it? India, I reached my destination and you too. Who is the author of the famous book A Trip to Moon? Georges Méliès was the author of the book A Trip to the Moon. What was the name of the satellite that landed on moon who carried man first? What was the name of the satellite that landed on moon who carried man first? Apollo 11. What was the name of the rocket which carried Apollo 11? Name of the satellite which carried man first to moon is Apollo 11. What was the name of the rocket which carried Apollo 11? Saturn 5. Who was the second man who landed on moon? Edwin Aldrin was the second man who landed on moon. What was the words of Neil Armstrong seeing Earth from moon? Big, bright and beautiful. Then what was the comment of the Edwin Aldrin about Earth from moon? Magnificent dissolution. Magnificent dissolution was one of the autobiography written by Edwin Aldrin. What is the name of rover in Chandrayaan 2? Pragyan was the rover in Chandrayaan 2. How many times does the moon circle the earth in a year? 13 times. How many times does the moon circle the earth in a year? 13 times. What is the name of the vehicle that launched Chandrayaan 1? PSLV XL was the vehicle which launched Chandrayaan 1. Which is the only man-made structure seen from the moon? The Great Wall of China. The book released by ISRO on Indian space program. From Fishing Hamlet to Red Planet was the book released by ISRO.